Right, so today we had a green day, but it didn't feel like a green day. It was one of them. Started out not too bad. Uh, well, in typical trading fashion, this first trade was a loss. So was that. Um, yeah, just in a downtrend. I think I'd got into it looking at the lower time frames, expecting continuation, and it just started pulling back. And yeah, ended up stopping us out. So fucking is what it is, whatever. Yeah, I think we were up about $90, and then the US market opened, so we traded a bit beforehand, and we ended up down about 400 and something, and then we managed to get it back up. All right, so this one was a bit risky. We took a trade out from the 21 EMA. We noticed that it was starting to bounce a little bit, so we took that trade. A little bit risky. The market is in a downtrend. We're making lower lows, lower highs. The only problem is we're bouncing actually previously off the 100 EMA rather than the 21 EMA. So taking the trade here was a bit of a risk, if I'm being honest. But I think I was getting a bit pissed off. I think I'd taken a couple of trades by this point that I'd lost, so I was just getting a bit frustrated, wound up. Oh no, market hadn't even opened yet. American market hadn't actually opened yet. I think I was pissed off from the last trade. I don't know. I just remember being a bit annoyed. And yeah. So yeah, I think it was just a weird day, and we also didn't have much time because I was going out, so I was a bit strapped for time. But yeah, it was a good trading day, and we called out some really good trades. We called out some good trades and didn't take them as well. So there's that. But yeah, we definitely. Yeah, it's weird that I'm able to. It's weird, like I have like my green days are usually like $100 or something. But if I'm down like 400 quid, I can make it back. So why can't I just do that to begin with? Fuck's sake. Right, so this one was a nice trade. We were actually bouncing away. We were starting to break out from this range that we'd been stuck in. This is just the 1 minute chart. We were massive stops, by the way, massive stops. We were actually targeting the 200 EMA, which isn't actually visible on this chart, but the market had been on the 1 minute chart, it had been pushing back to it pretty consistently all morning. So, yeah, I was kind of anticipating it coming back into the 200 EMA, which it did nicely. We were able to take a really nice trade there. I think we've got 3 contracts on there now. So, well, that is the other thing. Today, I don't think I went over 3 contracts either, which is pretty good. Yeah, it was a good trade, that one. Nicely managed as well, I think. And again, this one was a nice one. So we're breaking out of that bull flag. This is a 1 minute chart. We're targeting VWAP at the top. Honestly, I just thought I got out of it before. I honestly just thought, you know what, that's such a nice big bullish candle that there is no fucking way that the market leaves that unchecked. It's got to come back and retest that entire thing. And that's exactly what it did. So I'm glad that I got out of it where I did. So it was a good trade, that one. So yeah, the market started to range. We'd just taken a bad trade. What have we done? We'd just taken a short, and it came up long on this green candle. So we were basically shorting as though we were going to go and make a new low. And then, yeah, obviously it's starting to push up. Very, very much, the price is very much making lower lows and lower highs. It's very much moving down. But it's sort of wicking itself. It's wicking around. We got caught out on this by a news candle that absolutely hammered to the downside. Fuck me. That's right. So the market's absolutely fallen off of a fucking cliff. Big bullish previous 5-minute candle. And oh god, look at the state of that. We were trading 5 contracts. Right. So what I said before about not trading any higher than 3, I was obviously talking out my ass. That was a huge loss. Huge loss, that one. Definitely getting frustrated, definitely getting pissed off. Stopped me out to go higher. Fuck you, NASDAQ. Yeah. But I wasn't speed deterred. I kept going with it. Targeting that pivot point, that 21 EMA. Fuck you, NASDAQ. I will take my profits back. I will have that back, thank you very much. And that's exactly what I did. Yeah, didn't get as much out of it as I was hoping for, but I got enough to, reclaim a little bit of my losses, following it up with my stop loss. I think I was actually watching the 10-second chart whilst sort of following it with the stop. So yeah, I knew, that's the thing. It was just another one of those days. Like, it went where I thought it was gonna go. It just fucking wicked me out first. Right, so just took a couple of, one long, but we were adding into it a little bit, just on the break of this bull flag here. It was a good trade. Market was in nice momentum. So yeah, very good, all good. Happy with that. Thank you very much.